In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lists in Microsoft SharePoint Online, Office 365. SharePoint lists are a powerful way to track information, collaborate with your team, and keep data structured without needing a full database. We'll start from the SharePoint home, create a list, shape it with the right columns, add items, and finish by tailoring views so your data is easy to read. Begin by opening SharePoint in your browser. From the SharePoint homepage, choose My Sites to see the sites you follow or have access to. Then open the site where you want this list to live. It's best to create the list in the site your team uses daily, so permissions and navigation align with your existing content. On your site, select New near the top and choose List. You'll see several ways to get started. A blank list is great for something custom. From Existing lets you reuse the structure of a list you already trust. From Excel is perfect if you've been tracking data in a spreadsheet and want to bring it into SharePoint. Templates offer pre-built designs for common scenarios like issue tracking or asset management. Next, give your list a name and description, pick a color and icon to make it easy to spot, and decide whether to save it to My Lists for personal use or to the current site for team access. Here's an important tip. Avoid spaces in the initial name to keep the URL clean. You can always change the display title later, but the original name becomes part of the address. Once the list is created, shape the data by selecting Add Column. Choose the data type that fits: text for notes, number for quantities, choice for predefined options, date and time for schedules, or person to assign items to colleagues. Thoughtful column choices make data entry consistent and reporting easier. To start adding information, click New in the upper left, fill in the fields, and save. If you need to enter or update many items quickly, use Edit in Grid View. This gives you an Excel-like experience for fast typing, copying, and pasting. When you're done, exit Grid View to commit your changes. You can also attach files to list items to provide context, like linking a document, image, or PDF directly to the record. Finally, create custom views to make your data work for you. Sort by priority or date, filter to show only what matters today, and group by categories to get quick summaries. Save your view with a clear name so you and your team can return to it anytime. And that's it. You now know how to create, structure, populate, and present SharePoint lists so your team can move faster with